to assign specific things to your students so they can work through the SAT practice. Now, the things that you assign are primarily just videos rather than individual modules and things. Unfortunately, at this time, Khan doesn't allow us to assign specific modules, but the videos can be helpful, especially if a student understands what they struggle with. And the other thing that I'm going to point out is just some information, some videos about the SAT test in general, and then some strategies that they can utilize in order to be more successful. So log in to Khan Academy, and that's at khanacademy.org. As long as you are logged into your email account, there's no extra work that needs to be done. You just click continue with Google, and it takes you right to the site. This is your typical dashboard with all of the classes that you have set up, including your SAT test prep. So I'm going to go to one of these. And you can see that there are different things that are available here as far as content go. If you click over to the assignment tab, it goes into a little bit more detail, and then you just click on find content. And then for each of these, there are different videos that you can assign. Now this is going to go out to everybody that's in the class, and so if it is a particular skill that one of your students needs help on, it might be that they just use or watch that video on their own. But if it is something that you realize that is class-wide as far as trouble goes, then you can go here to the assignment tab. What I'm going to do is highlight these SAT tips and strategies. Once you click on them, it gives you drop-down menus. And then once here, it also gives you even more drop-down menus. And so, for example, one of the things that I want to make sure that my students are aware of is what the SAT test is, how it works, and what it means when they get the scores that they do. And so I've got this SAT content and format, and that's a useful video to have, and so you can click on assign for that. How the SAT test is scored, that makes sense that I would assign that. Official SAT practice on the Khan Academy. It gives you information about their site and how that works. General SAT strategies. Those are options here as well about the SAT reading test, the writing test, the math test, all of this stuff. You have options as far as assigning videos. So once you do that, and I'm going to go ahead and assign these to articles in this case, and then you click on assign, and then the class that you're assigning it to, all students, or you can select individual students here too. I guess this is now an option where you can assign specific videos or articles to students that need them, and then a due date and a time. And basically what this does is shows, after you're assigning it, it shows which students viewed the article or which students watched the video. It does show up here that you have assigned that to. So this allows you to assign either class-wide or now individual student-wide, individual student videos and articles.